So you can see it, what I'm doing right now is I am plastic dipping the car, the Integra, and so far it's come along. I think I need some more cans though. I bought 6 for the whole car. I think I'm going to need about maybe 10 or 11. So far I got the passenger side almost done, and it's coming out real clean. And I'm only plastic dipping it black because I want to get it to another color. I'm thinking about doing I think it's called Brandywine on plastic dip. I may be mistaken. It's like a plum color almost. And once it's done, it should look pretty good. According to the website, it was stating that you have to coat the car in black plastic dip first, and then as a primer, and then what you do is basically you repaint it again with the correct color that you want. So that's basically what I'm doing now. I'm going to redo the wheels over again, only because I don't like the way it came out that much. It should be a bit brighter, but the color I chose was pure gold. On camera it looks like pure gold, but it's really too dirty to be like a pure gold. This is more like a pure gold right here, which I used like a white. I used like a white base first, and then I colored it with pure gold, which takes forever, but to me the results are a lot better. So yeah, that should be about it for an update. This isn't going to be anything too long or a huge reveal, but I just want to show you guys what I'm doing so far. I haven't even gotten to the back of the car yet at all, so it's going to be a long day. I'll update you guys for more updates coming soon. Peace. Still painting the car. So far the progress looking good. I got the driver's side basically done. It's looking great. Right now I'm about to do the rest of the back. The front is done as well. Alright YouTube, so I just got finished painting the whole car with plastic dip all in black and just a base coat. As I said before, it's my boy Brian. As I said before, I'm just painting the car black as a primer for the road color that's going on there. I literally just finished doing the roof, and it looks pretty good in all black, to be honest. It took me about 11 cans to do the whole car, and I did it all in my hand. I see just a few spots that need to be fixed, but all in all, it looks good. In a couple of days, we'll be starting the primary color. As I said, I believe it's called Brandywine. I'll post a link up on it of what the color is online, so you guys can see it in the description area. And man, I'm tired. I've been out here for about maybe 6 or 7 hours. It took a while, but it looks good. It looks damn good, actually. Look at that. I'm pretty happy about how it came out. This is actually my first time painting a car all in plastic dip by hand with cans. I've also did my Volkswagen as well, my GTI. And Mandarin orange from plastic dip. With plastic dip, I mean. And I'm actually in the process of actually using glossifier on the body, which I haven't had a chance to do yet. I've done it on the front so far, which only with one can, as you can see, glossing up right there and glaring, but I haven't finished. So yeah, that'll be about it for the day, y'all. If you like my video, please subscribe and like it. As I said before, I'll have a lot more coming. Peace.